Hello. Have you ever thought about taking your business to the European level? Or starting a startup from scratch in a stable and predictable environment? Today we'll explore this topic from A to Z. Starting a company in Europe is not a fantasy, but a clear, well thought out process. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step plan on how to do it legally, quickly, and with maximum benefit. We will talk about choosing a country, registration, taxes, and the main secret to success. How EU citizenship greatly simplifies all the bureaucracy and opens up access to financing. We'll learn what mistakes 90% of beginners make and how to avoid them. And in the end, I will tell you how our team helps entrepreneurs not just start a business, but start right away with a European passport in their pocket. This will be the most practical guide for current and future business people. Why Europe? It's not just prestigious, it's strategically advantageous. First, it is a single market of 450 million consumers without internal borders and customs. By registering a company in one country, you can sell goods and services throughout the European Union. Second, it offers legal stability and transparency. The rules of the game here do not change every year, and the law protects both local shops and international corporations equally. Thirdly, it has powerful state support. The EU allocates billions of euros in grants to startups in the fields of IT, green energy, innovation, and agriculture. In addition, there is developed logistics, infrastructure, and the reputation of Made in the EU, which immediately increases the trust of customers and partners. The first and most important step is choosing a country. Europe is diverse, and each country has its own profile. Germany is ideal for high-tech manufacturing, engineering, and serious industrial projects. It is a country of quality and order. Estonia is a digital leader. Here you can complete the entire registration process online in a couple of days. It is perfect for IT companies, freelancers, and e-commerce. Portugal is a paradise for startups and creative industries. It has low startup costs, a mild climate, and a growing community of entrepreneurs. The Netherlands, a global logistics and financial hub. The best choice for international trade, e-commerce, and companies focused on the global market. Romania is an important economic and logistics hub in Eastern Europe with access to EU and Black Sea markets. The country is well suited for business development in the transport, agro-industrial complex, and manufacturing sectors. An additional advantage is one of the most accessible programs for restoring EU citizenship by repatriation. Your choice should depend not only on pretty pictures, but on your business model, target market, and tax conditions. Now, here are step-by-step instructions for registration. Think of it as your checklist. 1. Determine the form of business. The most popular are limited liability companies or sole proprietorships. Choose based on your plans for scaling and level of responsibility. 2. Prepare documents and register. You will need the company's articles of association, the founder's details, and a legal address, which can be rented. In many countries, such as Estonia, the entire application process is done online. In others, such as Germany, notarization is required. Key point: if you are an EU citizen, the process is much faster. No additional permits, powers of attorney, or translations are required. 3. Opening a bank account. This can be the most difficult step for a non-resident. Banks carefully check the origin of funds and the business model. Having a European passport removes most suspicions and speeds up the account opening process. 4. Obtaining licenses, if necessary. Special permits are required for restaurants, construction, transportation, and medicine. The list of those permits must be clarified locally. 5. Hiring employees and tax reporting. Europe has strict labor laws, social benefits, minimum wage, vacations. It is best to entrust accounting to a local specialist. Taxes are filed online. When talking about taxes, you can't just quote a figure. You need to understand the system. The main taxes are: corporate income tax. Varies from country to country. Hungary 9%, which is the lowest in the EU, Germany up to 30%, Romania 16%. Often these are preferential periods or reduced rates for new companies and startups. VAT, the standard rate is 20 to 23%. But for exports of goods outside the EU, there's often a zero rate and you can reclaim input VAT. This is a huge advantage for companies that export. Social Security contributions for employees. These can reach 30 or 40% of the payroll, but this money goes towards healthcare, pensions, and social protection for employees, creating a stable environment. Key advice: don't try to figure out taxes on your own. Consulting with a local tax expert at the outset will save you tens of thousands of euros in the future. And now, the main life hack. Imagine that all these steps, registration, banking, taxes, are done for you as a priority and with a minimum amount of paperwork. This is not a dream, but a reality if you have EU citizenship. For EU citizens, no barriers to living and working, no need to apply for a residence permit or permanent residence. Banks open accounts faster and more willingly. Business registration is often available entirely online without the need to be physically present. Direct access to grants and subsidies from EU funds, which are often unavailable to non-residents. You gain mobility. Today you run your business from Berlin, tomorrow from Barcelona, and the day after tomorrow you open a branch in Amsterdam. EU citizenship can be obtained, for example, through repatriation to Romania. The procedure takes not years, but on average few months. And for many, it is one of the most rational solutions for building and developing a European business. Our Migrissolutions team works according to this comprehensive scheme. We help entrepreneurs obtain EU citizenship, most often through repatriation, and then, based on this status, quickly and correctly register business in the chosen country. We take care of the entire chain, from searching for your European roots in archives and obtaining a passport, to preparing documents for the company, assisting in opening a bank account, and providing tax advice. You get not just separate services, but a complete turnkey solution, status plus a tool for business. If you're serious about building a business in Europe and want to start with maximum advantages, you need to begin with a consultation. Sign up for a free analysis of your situation with our expert. We will assess your business goals, check the possibility of obtaining citizenship through your roots, and draw up a personal plan. The link to sign up is in the description below the video. Don't complicate your path. Open up Europe for your business with the right strategic entry.